What's going on, gang? Matt here with Money with Matt. Each Tuesday, I'm going to jump on here for a couple minutes and do a Tuesday talk that I hope can help you with a side hustle, with business, or just life in general. Today, I want to talk about be an encouragement. Nowadays in social media, we get so caught up in ourselves. But I can't stress enough, one of the best ways to get ahead in life, and you don't do this selfishly, but to get ahead, to receive blessings, to be in good favor with so many other people around you, it's be conscious of being an encouragement. Everybody, be an encourager. Everybody wants encouragement. We all like to be lifted up. We like to be bragged on. That's human nature. So I want you to make a point today, this week, that you're going to be intentionally more encouraging to others. Build them up. Notice them on something they're doing with their business, whether it's with their vehicles clean, they're losing weight, they got a new haircut, they got a new office, they got a new logo. I don't know what it is. But when you are intentionally an encourager, blessings just come your way. I've said this before with my YouTube channels a couple years ago. Well, actually, it's a couple years ago. It's probably 8 or 9 years ago. My brother, we were in a parking garage, and my brother said, "You're just an encourager." I said, "What does that mean?" He said, you just go around encouraging people all the time. That's why you get along and so many people like you." And I thought, when I got home, I started thinking about that. And I said, that's the direction I want to take my YouTube channel. I just want to encourage people, whether it's with guitar, whether it's with their walk with the Lord, whether it's, like I said, fitness, whatever it is. I want to challenge you today to encourage those around you. Encourage somebody you see in a supermarket, at your church, in your office, at a sporting event, whatever it is. There's a Bible verse that says, "He who refreshes others will be refreshed himself." I can promise you, they don't teach us in business school, but one of the best lessons you'll ever learn is to be an encouragement to others around you every single day. That's your challenge. Test it this week. See if blessings don't come your way. Let's go.